motherfucking shit. Okay, if you're walking hands, you are now. Line up. You know how to do that. You're not babies anymore. Let's go. Anybody walking hands? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Melissa, are you walking? Ooh, okay now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Category is closed. DJ, pump the beat for hands.
Senorita, I know that you would like a cheeky booty. It's very nice. So I place my hand on your hip and if you wish to give me your hand, then we shall try. Just you and I. If you like to be, take it as even beat. And that you want to say cheeky booty, cheeky booty.
Boys and boys, stay to the side, Amina. DJ from the beginning.
He's a really modest guy, although he's the hottest guy in Havana, in Havana.
See, senorita, I know that you would like a cheeky booty. It's very nice. So I place my hand on your hip and if you wish to give me your hand, then we shall try. Just you and I.
Thanks across the board to the Spunty Bunny. Alright, can I see the battle of hands for bros? Okay. Nasty Bunny versus Sassy Bunny. Let's go.
Up, down, up, down, up, and down. I want it up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and down. I want it up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and down. Down, up, and down.
For me, 1, put a hand, 2, put a hand, 3, put a hand, and hold both hands for me. Alright, these are Amina stays for the hand. Let's give a Sassy Bunny a round of applause. Okay, but it's not a grand prize yet. Arms control, you are now. Is anybody walking? Line up, line up. Shit. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Categories closed. DJ, pump the beat. Final battle, hands versus arms. Hold on, give them some breather. Darling, do you need some water? Let's go. Godmother is always there. Give a round of applause for Melissa. Alright, breathe in, breathe out. DJ, pump. Spectators, you gonna have to bring in some energy for the final battle, hands versus arms. Grand prize, Admina, 007. Grand prize, hands versus